read all the maps, we can make a path all on our own. Straight between the wildflowers that grow. Like us, no we can't stand still when we're moving uphill and the peak is shrouded. I'm afraid that we can't go back, no we're never going back. I don't mind if we get lost in the world sometimes. Drive all night on the interstate, let it all pass by. Unmistakable the way that I feel inside. If I'm gonna be lost, I wanna be lost with you.
So worried about falling that I missed the view. Already watching the news reports saying there was nothing anyone could do. In my mind, what if I fall? But if it's in my mind, what if I fly? Get a little higher. Get out of my head for a minute and just feel the wind on my face. Maybe the fear just means I'm alive. Maybe I'll fall, but what if I fly?
then put it down again. There's no way for you to reply to the messages I never send. In my mind, we'd never fall in love. But what if I'm on your mind? What if I fly, get a little higher, get out of my head for a minute and just feel the wind on my face? Maybe the fear just means I'm alive. Maybe I'll fall, but what if I my time? So what if I fall straight out of the sky? Would I rather look back and wonder or know that I actually tried?